Alright, we're back. So, where'd I leave off? Fox says to use their oil. I forget what we said before. They said to use stock height oil. And in here it says on the cartridge fork you got to measure a bunch of height and stuff, which is impossible to do with this design. So we'll have to just go for it. So they give you 11.1 and 10 for right and left legs. And Harley's got the cartridge on the... That's backwards how it is. That's kind of stupid. Did you see that? They had the cartridge on the left leg and we got it on the right. Nice. Anyway, you got 11.1. I don't know if it's a wet number or a dry number. Usually they tell you. So these are dry, which means there's no oil on anything, so you got a little extra. When you change fork oil, you still got oil clinging to everything, so it's a little bit lower of a number. So, why would they have conventional and cartridge being different? That is, I don't know, fucking Harley, I don't know what they're doing. Something at least a ½ ounce extra, just to make sure we got enough. They got the legs reversed in there in the book.
Really?
Well, see how cartridge is left and conventional is right? That's the opposite of how it comes on this bike. Cartridge left. It's on the right side. Right side is conventional. So number, well, if we go by that number, we just put the high number in it and leave it. I don't know.
So we're gonna go up mLs because
I know milliliters.
my ounces is hard to read.
Yeah.
So 295. All right, 328. So that puts us somewhere in the middle of this. So we'll just go to 350.
That's a big difference.
Yeah. I have a really nice one of these somewhere, but let me see. I don't know where it's at.
Okay, where's the ounces at? This cup's ounces
The
right here.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the problem? You got 16, 20. We want one number? 10?
11.
11?
11.1.
I don't know what the 2 is all about. What's 2 for? That doesn't make sense. Well, there's 4 ounces difference, so if you go down to 2, that's going to be a 12. Oh, that's probably a 12. It's supposed to be a 1.
Yeah.
So we want to be like this line here, which would give us 11 for sure. Just got some cling in this too, so just a skosh more in the first pour, second pour, one lower.
We can double check on the back side with mLs too.
We can calculate. I don't know.
Because we're like 290.
There's a formula.
328.
Yeah, there's a formula for figuring out the difference, so we just have to figure it out.
Because we're gonna end up somewhere right about
Oh, you
here.
got three. Oh, this is
about
300.
in the middle.
Okay,
you know what I mean? That's
it is,
300.
it would
That's
be in the
350. We need to hit right somewhere.
Well, we
right
should
about
be
the middle.
we should be about 2/3 the way up because we got a little extra for cling. So 350 max, but just under 350. All right. See, we can figure out metric crap too. Kind of. As long as we don't pay attention too much. And that stuff's going to be pissed in. It's going to want to puke out the bottom of this thing quick. So we have to do this quickly. No screwing around. Of course, we like screwing around a lot. That's a problem. Okay, I don't know how much is going to get filmed. It's going to be what it's going to be.
I believe that's what we want there. So it's.
Why is this thing taking up so much? It's a steel bolt. Every time I hit it, it gets screwed up. Sticking up, it shouldn't matter. Pressing on this and this one. Okay. So this has to go into here.
It doesn't fit through there. So.
That's good enough. Right.
This, right? Okay. So this goes in here. We need that spring.
Spring in there. Top off
Like
spring.
that. This goes in here. Good. This on temporarily, this one, like that.
Bring in the bottom.
Goes there.
Right here. Okay, put a number wheel.
Not exactly level on this table.
I'll give a few more drops, because that's going to click the bottle a little bit. We'll do the second one this side. We'll put
We're
another,
real close to 350 here. I mean, we're definitely worth
so just a
320.
little more. Yeah, but it was going to clean this cup.
Oh, I see.
A few more in there, it's going to be a cup. I'm good with that level for the next one, but not this. That's good, that's good. That's good enough. Doesn't take much. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to lubricate this up. We're going to have to make sure we got nothing good that we're not worried about leaking out. Couple of issues. That was one of those things. Okay. So a nice big layer in there like that. Drop our washer down. Try not to get gooey. I'm not like you, I don't like getting gooey. Gooey, see? No goo. Put a good layer in there because we want that to seal the oil up when we put it in there. Okay, so right there. Go ahead and put the lid on the bottle for me.
Just smoother.
It's supposed to be huffing your glue.
It's definitely a.
Yeah, your spring don't want to go in there. Tight.
Okay.
Okay.
And we want to go on here.
Okay. Where's your stuff at? Put the glue in. Put the oil in. Put the oil in. Pour it in there. Let's go. Don't wait all day. You're gonna make a mess. Pour oil in.
It's not the way you're supposed to do this. I'm sure that you take the cut, you just take the cap back off and you pump it. So, yeah, definitely not. Let's not do that. Let's put this on.
How you
here.
gonna take the cap off? How you gonna pump it? How you gonna put oil in?
So you take this is just temporary on here, right?
No, it's part of the dampener.
Well, once you have that on there, right? We should be able to put this in there and then pump
No.
slide this up and down. Why not?
How you gonna do it? Pull that up.
Does it not come off here?
No. One piece.
That's dumb.
I know, let's get the oil out before it leaks. It leaks now already.
Well, I gotta put this back on here then, so we're ready.
It's all right.
It's not that long. It's only been a few seconds.
I'm gonna relube it because I don't want the piece all over full. Just make sure we got oil on the damn thing as well. Okay, we got everything figured out now? Ready this time? Put a little bit on this for the element, just a little bit on the oil now. I don't like when bushings going in dry. I'm just kind of weird about that. I like my stuff lubricated. So the washer's stuck in there, so it should still be sealed, hopefully. And then we'll glue our glue in here, just to make sure it's glued. Okay,
This just doesn't seem like.
it's the only option you got. Put the oil in there. The drain screw's still in it, so we should be fine. Just dump it in there. Well, let's go for you. Dump, 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 dump. Good. Put that in there at the bottom.
No, it's gonna come pouring out the top. So everyone wants to come
Loosen
out.
up the screw in the top. You got an air pocket. Yeah, we just made a big air pocket, that's all we did. So. We're not leaking yet, so we're all right. We're good. Okay, now tube should go down slowly now. Okay, push the top nut down, rubbing hand, ready? Okay, we're in.
Yeah. see what I'm saying? We should have just assembled it and then poured it down it.
So we have an emergency.
What's up?
What are you gonna eat with your steak? We don't have any tomatoes.